When creating a weldment such as this from plates, it's very useful to know what the bounding box would be that would hold this plate, or this plate, or this plate. The bounding box is just the minimum size this feature will fit within. To do that, the first thing I'm going to do is expand my cut list here in the feature tree. And next, for each item, I'm going to expand the folder. And currently, it shows the name of each item. As soon as I'm done creating the bounding box, that will appear within the folder for the cut list item. Next, I'm going to right click on the cut list and I'm going to select the option to create the bounding box. So that's down here in the list, create bounding box. I'll give it a second. You'll notice each item now has a bounding box. If I click on it, we can see it here in the screen. So for each case, we can see the bounding box that it's created, which would be the minimum material size for this part.